Well, this is the appropriate way to take a deck off of a lawnmower if it's got a Briggs & Stratton on it. You lay it down here like this, and you get your cold chisel and your vice grips. That prevents you from having any serious problems to your hands, hopefully. There, it's not quite tight enough. A little tighter. There you go. Now you turn around and halfway see it. Then you put this up here and this down here and give that thing a good hard whack. And another hard whack. And I don't know why it's not want to come out there very good. That don't look like the correct way of doing it. Well, let's try this side. Maybe, mayhaps it's still hanging by too much. There, that went. All right, well, maybe we need to hammer this a little more here. We'll try it and see what happens. We'll try it. It's gonna be noisy. Oh boy, yeah. Yep. Alrighty. Well, now we'll see what happens here. Let's see, will it get loose now? I don't know, but we'll have to. We might get a bigger hammer. Get on there. Well, I think I'm losing my grip. Get up here. Now. There's probably other ways I could have done this, but this is probably going to work at some point. At some point. Well, nothing else, I'll hit it down there. Let's see what happens here. That thing should. There ain't much holding it. I don't know why it be like that. Get on there, you. Get on there, you. Well, what we'll do then is we'll get over here to the other side and attempt to take some of this off. There we go. We already got some of it off, but we'll try to get some more of it here. Get back here. Well, let's see if we can use the old hammer and chisel method. See if it'll come off. The thing is, this is a good deck and it's not a very good motor. I got another motor on the other one over there, and so I need to get this off. And of course, it wouldn't come off the traditional way, so we shall attempt to get it off the non-traditional way here. There, that one is. Now, this ought to get off the other, just like that. All right. A little aluminium for the trash man. Of course, we got a little scaly rust on here, but for an old used lawnmower, that don't melt too much. I won't say that's the easiest way. It's about the only way. I tried all the sockets I had on the bottom of them. They would not make that budge. So, neaten the deck, and I had to try something different, and this did work. Not too orthodox, but then I'm not too orthodox in a lot of things I do. If I get the job done and don't hurt nothing, that's good for me. Well, thanks for watching, subscribing, rating, and commenting, and all that kind of thing, as I say all the time. So, see you later.